Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on LinkedIn. So for this you have to go first on your LinkedIn profile or LinkedIn account. Then when you're in this page you have to go for your profile icon here. Then go to settings and privacy. So okay, now you have to go for visibility. Now you have to scroll down a little bit and you can see a blocking option here. You have to go for it and choose the person whom you wanna unblock. So I'll just unblock this person and go for unlock and go for unlock member. So it's done. So guys, this is how you can unblock someone on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.